Good evening. You join us tonight at the parking garage for Disney Springs. Couldn't get my words out there. We've got a reservation for Raglan Road. Now, Raglan Road is an Irish-themed bar and restaurant, so we're obviously going to go down and have some food, have a couple of drinks, and they also have Irish music and Irish dances. So our table's not ready yet, so we've come outside Raglan Road, which is still part of it, but it's the bar area. So we're having a quick drinky whilst we're waiting for the table. And I've just requested one of my favourite songs, Damien Rice, Volcanoes. Our table's ready, so we're heading in, and this is the inside of the Raglan Road. Proper Irish music. Hey! Thank you very much. This is another of my favourites. Dreamers by the Cranberries.
The kids menu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he's not going to order there. Thank you.
And one of the things that you have to get here is the sort of bread to share with the oil, the butter.
Round of applause to Northern Crossing. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming along to Raglan Road tonight. My name is James. I'm from County Down. It's in the north of Ireland. I'm going to be joined today by Keela, who's from Ohio. We have Maggie from California, Annika from Missouri, and Aoife from Wicklow, with the Raglan Road Irish dancers. We're going to be joined on stage for our first number by Northern Crossing, who are going to really join us in a selection of musical talents.
So we've got kiss before shrimp. What's that one, Emma? Bang bang chicken.
Bang bang chicken.
Bang bang chicken and an Irish egg, not a Scotch egg. Sorry. I love the atmosphere here. So anyways, if you can hear me, the shrimp is absolutely fantastic. Highly, highly recommended. You know what? The bang bang chicken, it's banging as well. I wouldn't know what to recommend between the two. If I do, the shrimp, the shrimp, the shrimp. Emma has the Scotch egg, Irish egg. And that's a 2 thumbs up. So I have the no rush pork with sautéed cabbage and pureed carrot, I believe, and then mashed potato underneath. Yeah. Ellie got fish and chips. Tristan got a burger. And Emma got the slow roasted beef. So there you have it. That was Raglan Road, one of our favourite places to go in Disney Springs. It's not just the fantastic food, it's also the fantastic entertainment, mainly the entertainment. My pork, if I was honest, was probably a little bit too tough, but it was still very tasty, very nice. Emma loved the beef, Tristan loved his burger, Ellie loved her fish and chips. So anywho, we're going to head on out now. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.